What's up, guys? Here it is again today in Winder, Georgia, Akins, Ford, and Wild Willies. You know me, David Campo, working with Neal Nsheppard, working with Clay Robinson. What we have today is we've got a Ford 2021 Bronco Badlands Edition. Now, Jason Baker, he brought us this Bronco today for us to get the work knocked out on it. He also bought it here from us, so we thank you, Jason, for buying vehicles from us and giving us the opportunity to lift them and modify them for you. So let's go ahead and jump in today with what we started on this. First off, you can see Nitto Ridge Grappler 305 70 17. Now, you might be asking, what does that come out to be inches wise? Well, this one is going to be 33.8, very, very close to 34. And to even measure it from the floor up to bottom with the tread, you can say it was a 34, even close to a 35, but just looks absolutely killer on it. Now, in order to accommodate this, we decided to put on the Zone 1-inch level kit. Just wanted to keep this one simple and basic, get it done quick and fast. So did a 1-inch level kit on the front. Zoom in there and see it. Also too, to accommodate for the tire and wheels, we did the big tire kit. And what that does is that relocates the crash bars. It actually replaces them to extend them farther out. You can see down there, Clay. You can see the front crash bar. You can also see the rear crash bar, what it allows for the wheel tire clearance. Now, being that we had to do that, this is a 17 by 8.5 plus 14 offset. So if you're wondering, what kind of wheel and tire can I fit on a 21 Bronco, that's kind of almost where your limit is. And without removing the crash bars completely, that's the offset to size that you can fit or accommodate with your back spacing on a wider wheel. So we'll go around. We got the wide fenders from the Badlands Edition. It's got the rock sliders on it. Just absolutely love the black on black and black. And you like that too, don't you, Clay?
Love it.
All right, we'll go on and we'll move to the inside. On the inside, you can see the interior has that beautiful orange stitching to match with the lettering outside. It's got the nice 12-inch display touchscreen. You have your GOAT mode, go over all terrains. Paired it with leather interior, floor mats. Just an absolutely killer interior. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this quick video here on Friday. Once again, we want to thank you, Jason, for bringing your Bronco to us. Also, I want to know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it simple and basic, clean and custom? Or do you want it, built to the hilt, 6-inch lift, all the way? So we want to hear from you. Drop a like, drop a comment, let us know what you think. And if you're looking for a truck, Bronco, anything else Ford or Ram related, come see us here at Wild Willies, Akins, Ford, Winder, Georgia. Thanks.